In an age where the burden of medical care is on the rise, often the neediest are denied healthcare and insurance support. The high cost of even basic tests nullifies the adage of prevention is better than cure. This is where Dr. Akash S. Rajpal walked in and created EcoHealth, a company targeted at helping citizens diminish their medical bills through awareness and cost-effective networking.
I have been working as an administrator in healthcare services since last 13 years. I know what the problems of various stakeholders were. Patients always used to come to me asking for discounts and helping them reduce costs in surgery. Hospitals were struggling to find new patients. So that is when I realized that something can be done at a professional entity, at an organized entity, to make the unorganized healthcare sector in India organized.
At a token fee, subscribers to EcoHealth can avail information on medical service providers, compare costs of medical care at various hospitals, and avail discounts at partner organizations.
It's a great service. I wish him well, and this should be continued because a lot of people can't afford these tests in regular laboratories. And most of the people in this age group, particularly 60 plus, they need all these tests.
Today, Dr. Rajpal's organization reaches out to citizens all over the country, showing them various ways to avail the best medical care at a minimal cost. An initiative welcomed enthusiastically by those most in need and those outside the purview of medical insurance.
He is a gem of a person. He believes in what he wants to do. He has a lot of vision.
I want that lost faith between that patient and doctor to come back again.
Not just a doctor, but one with a heart of gold, Dr. Ajay Rajpal is an absolute inspiration.